Let me take you out to Churchville, Virginia really quick, a community of about 200 people in the Blue Ridge foothills, where the only doctor's office has just closed. Augusta Medical Group shut down its Churchville primary care clinic this fall, along with a practice in Buena Vista and an urgent care clinic in Wayers Cave. The company says the closures are part of its, quote, ongoing response to Donald Trump's One Big Beautiful Bill Act and, quote, the resulting realities for healthcare delivery after Congress passed the law in July. The law makes deep changes to Medicaid, adding new work and paperwork requirements and tightening how states can finance their programs. A summary of the bill and Congressional Budget Office estimates warn that its health provisions could leave nearly 17 million more people without coverage by 2034. But other analyses estimate roughly $1 trillion in Medicaid cuts over the next decade, plus expanded work requirements and higher cost sharing for many low-income adults. On paper, there's some help. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act created a 5-year, $50 billion rural health transformation program that Trump allies tout as proof that they're saving rural hospitals. But hospital groups and health policy experts say that money, which flows through state plans with strings attached, does not come close to offsetting the cuts. One National Hospital Association projects the law will push about 1.8 million rural residents off of Medicaid and strip roughly $50 billion in Medicaid funding from rural hospitals over 10 years. So it's like a wash. Or worse. But in Churchville, those national numbers look like a locked clinic door and a longer drive. Patients are being told to go to Augusta Health's practice in Verona, about 10 miles away. One woman told reporters she called around for a new doctor, and the earliest simple wellness visit she could find was at the end of January. Another patient, a 59-year-old Irina Holmes, who needs care for her liver problems and high blood pressure, said the closure left her feeling like, quote, what he did is wreck rural areas. Politically, this is still Trump country. He carried Augusta County by nearly 50 points in 2024, and a Democratic physician running on protecting healthcare just lost a state house race here by more than 40 points. The storefront across from the shuttered clinic still displays a sign that reads, quote, thank Trump, save America again. Now, the bill many voters cheered in Washington is closing in on them at home. For Churchville and towns like it, the One Big Beautiful Bill is no longer a slogan from a rally. It's the reason the lights are off at the only clinic in town. If you found this helpful, make sure you're following the show so that you don't miss the next breakdown. Hit follow, tap subscribe, and stay plugged in.